Hey everyone, I'm on month 9 of my Amazon automation experience, and I wanted to share with you what I've been going through. So far for the year 2020, I've had sales of $182,000, which is great. Gross profit for the year of 2020 was $17,600. For this year, for year to date, I've had a little over $300,000 in sales and around $20,000 in profit. And that's gross profit. Now, this all sounds really nice on paper, but the issue with that is it's not as simple as that. It takes a lot of sales and a lot of moving parts to make sure that the processes keep running smoothly and sales keep occurring, including Amazon's constant red flags, which bring the company on standstill and hold sales because of some sort of issues. And honestly, the thoughts that I've had in my mind is this is very problematic. I'm not sure if I want to continue this long term. I potentially want to sell this company and get out of it because that's too risky for me. I'd rather have something that's a little more reliable, that doesn't stop a drop of a hat, and then you have to keep working on getting it back up and running. I invested about $40,000 into this company initially to get it up and running. I think I can get a little bit more out if I were to sell it, and that's what I'm thinking about doing. I think that's a good step for me to move forward, get my funds out, and then reinvest it into another investment. Are any of you in the Amazon automation space? If you are, let me know in the comments below. Or if you've started trying anything else, let me know. I actually just invested in Walmart automation. It has not started yet, but I'll definitely be making a video on that to let you know how that's going. Wishing everybody good luck with all their investments and wishing you financial freedom. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time on Dan Daily.